I should know about?
Nope. Bogey spotted!
Whiplash, come in hot.
Okay, good, because I'm staring at one right now and it's about to be blown to Kingdom Come.
Ballroom, this is Whiplash 1. I've got the bogey in my sights.
Whiplash 1, what is it?
I've got no idea.
You have radio contact.
Non-responsive, sir.
Then you are clear to engage.
Hit it. Just went supersonic. I got a lock. Found this on. Flares!
Wait a second. Bogey deploying flares.
Thing just dropped off the radar, sir.
Sat visual has been lost.
No way, that's a UAV.
What is it?
I can't see anything.
Whatever it was, it just bought the farm.
I think bogey has been handled, sir.